guys, my name is Krishna and welcome to Code with Krishna. So guys, this is our second part of our HTML series. So yeah guys, let's not waste time and start. So let me open the PDF. Okay. So yeah guys, let's study. So yeah, the chapter 1 is on about building our website. So we start creating our website by creating a file called index.html. It helps us it is a special feature. See everything. So now we will do a basic HTML code, a basic HTML file. Let me open Visual Studio Code also. So I will tell you. So first, this is the doc type HTML that it specifies that the file is an HTML document. HTML, root of the HTML page. Then head, it contains metadata of the page. Metadata means data of the data. If we take, you must have learned about if you are coming inside coding, then you must have heard about int, float, boolean, character, etc. So for that, let me do it in Visual Studio Code only. 1 second. Let me open it. I will open a new window and tell inside that. Let me open new file, text file. Select the language, select C, and if I make int a is equal to let's say 10. Yeah, 190. So see, the int is our data type. I will tell you in our next series. I will make it about C language. So yeah, first let's understand that. So int is a data type, and see, a is our data, and the thing that is stored in a is our metadata. So a is our data, and the data of the data is known as metadata. So hope you guys understood. Now let me minimize it. So yeah guys, let's do ahead. Now title, I have named it like King's Website. You can name it anything you want, like title. It contains title, obviously. Now head, so the body, then head, close. If we place like that, so it is the closing tag of it. See here also I have put it. Now body tag, the main body of the page. So this is the h1 tag, and this is a heading. So let me show you by making it, because I don't think you will understand by that. And first of all, let me name this to index.html. Okay, so yeah guys, now it's done. See, so h1, you can see here this h1 tag is there. So in that there is see, this is a heading in place of that. So in place of that, let me close this first in one. Yeah, so here I will write this is a heading, and so yeah, see, and now there is one more tag known as P. Yeah, this is a heading, and this is a paragraph, like simple text. So now yeah, same here, closing tag. Now the body closing tag and the HTML closing tag. So yeah, this was our basic HTML code. Now let's see our important notes. The head and body tags are called children of HTML tag. Most of the HTML tags have their opening and closing tags, and the content between them between the opening and closing tags. See, I have explained this, but yeah, let me explain again. Like, this is HTML and this is our closing HTML tag. So the content, so there is content between them only. Okay, and they also have their closing tags. And let me explain that also. This is our HTML tag. So there is head and there is body. So they are the children of HTML tag. Now some HTML tags have no content. They are called empty elements. I read this, and yeah, that is only enough. Now we can either use .html or .html extension. I will show that, not explain that. See, if we have this index.html, if I rename it, for renaming you press F2 in Visual Studio Code. So I press F2, and then this is our file. Let me do it again. Index dot h if I put nothing, t if I put nothing. If I press M, so see, this is coming and this is for HTML. And now if I press L also, then also it's coming. So we can either use .htm or .html. So yeah, that's understood. Now let's go to next page. So element short tag plus content plus closing tag, sorry. One element is this, made up of this: starting tag, content plus closing tag. So like if we take an example of head, so opening tag, closing tag, and the title between that. So that's understood. Now comments in HTML. Comments are the text written in the code to know what does it mean or how does the specific code work, etc. So first of all, comments are something that are used to show the people what the code means. Like if I share this with you, you won't understand before like I tell you. So yeah, let me make a one second. So if I do like here, sorry, if I press like one second, let me think. This is the parent. This HTML tag is the parent of head and body tag. So so this is understood, but it's coming like this. If I run it, see, code language not supported or defined. So this is like throwing an error. So for not making it throw error, we make it a comment. So that's how we make a comment. Now if I run it now, I mean, like what can I say? It's coming now also. But you know, I told you like what does comments mean. Now you can put your text. See. Now you might be thinking, how did I do like this? this I mean not touching the keyboard also, like this I am doing, and do it like that. So the shortcut to this is Control plus slash. I will tell you here also C. Yeah guys, see. So uh, so yeah. Now that's much for the chapter 1. Now